And today Lizzie and I are going to be checking out this kid's makeup kit. How cool is that? Lizzie's super excited for this because not only is she going to use this to do her own little makeup, but she's also going to use it for cosplay and doing her costumes and things. How cool is that? So let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera down and we're going to take a closer look so you can see exactly what you're going to get. You ready? Mm-hmm. Are you excited? All right, here's the little box right here. Just going to open it up and slide it out. And check out this cool little case that you get right here. It's nice and hot pink. It has a handle on top for carrying. You have a bow on this side. You have a bow on this side. You have a big bow in the middle. You have some smaller bows down here.
These side compartments show lipstick and chapstick. The other side shows lipstick and chapstick and just glitter. And then
so right here you have a big gem and you just push that gem in and then you can pop the top open just like that. Go ahead. What all do we have in there, Lizzie?
There's red lipstick, a dark red lipstick, eyeshadow, nail polish, blush, and more nail polish.
And look, they have stuff in the back. They have the little sponge in the back there. Can you see that? That's for going between your fingers or toes for when you're painting your nails. And they even have a little bitty file back there. Very, very cool. So I guess you can just grab this tray like this and pull it out. That way you can see everything that's inside.
And at the bottom, where all these bows are, you can slide them out. There are brushes and more blush and glitter.
So you have your glitters, you have your blushes, you have your brushes, you have lipsticks, you have a little mirror and a lid up here, you have an emery board, you got the little thing to keep your toes separated while you're painting them up. You have all these hidden compartments everywhere for keeping everything nice and organized. And it's just a really cool little set. Okay, so now that we've showed you the makeup, there's one more thing that you're going to get with this little kit, and it's not makeup. You're actually going to get some costume jewelry as well. Let's open this up real quick, Lizzie, and we'll see what all is in here.
Wow, I'm so beautiful.
So on top of all the makeup, you're going to get a little necklace with a charm. You're going to get a nice crown. Come on, Lizzie. I knew you were a princess. You get a couple earrings.
Wow.
I dubbed thee Queen Elizabeth. And show them the ring. Show them your fancy ring. So on top of the makeup and the super cool little case, you get costume jewelry as well. Perfect for that princess in your house. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.